Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add fade out effect in video in Capcut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to download Capcut. I already downloaded that application. You simply need to open that. So once you open Capcut, you simply need to select video from your smartphone. Click on new project. So I'm going to select this one for example. Click on add. Okay, so once you added a video, you simply need to select here your clip, and here you need to click on animation, click on out, and here you can see fade out, and you can select the duration of your effect. So I think 2 seconds is enough. Click on tick mark. So now you can see that fade out effect is added to my clip. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.